Meet James and Sarah. The couple have been together for 3 years, and they wish to get married onto the blockchain via Viola.AI. Sarah downloads the app, uploads her photo, and verifies it along with her social media account. James does the same. Sarah tells Viola.AI that she wants to register a new marriage with James. Viola.AI arranges the date and reminds the couple a day before this important milestone. On the day, Viola.AI acts as a solemnizer and witness, and the couple says, "I do." They are officially married, and their status is hashed onto the blockchain. They also add some fun conditions to their marriage, such as having a date night once every week and visiting each other's in-laws once every month. James and Sarah have declared their love and commitment to one another and added structure to their marriage through the smart contract. Viola.AI issues a marriage certificate, which includes their vows and date of marriage, which is immutable and accessible to them and to a selected circle of family and friends that they authorize to view. From then on, Viola.AI will be their love advisor to help them improve their marriage, from giving them unique date recommendations, referring them to relevant products and services that they need, and helping them with any challenges in their marriage. Learn more about how Viola.AI is going to change the world one relationship at a time at www.viola.ai now.